one. We're going to find the second derivative using implicit differentiation for x to the fourth plus y to the fourth equals 16. So let's differentiate both sides of the equation. And we're going to get 4x cubed, and this is times the derivative of x with respect to x, plus 4y cubed times the derivative of y with respect to x, and derivative of 16 is just 0. That equals 1. I'm going to also write my derivative of y with respect to x as y prime. All right, so now we have 4x cubed plus 4y cubed times y prime equals 0. Now we just solve for y prime. So you get 4y cubed y prime equals negative 4x cubed. Divide both sides by 4y cubed, so you get y prime equals negative 4x cubed divided by 4y cubed. So this equals negative, and I'm going to go put the negative outside, x cubed divided by y cubed. So that's your first derivative. All right. Now, we have to get the second derivative. So we're just going to take the derivative of that using our quotient rule. So I'm going to keep the negative on the outside so we don't have to deal with that right now. And I'll make this a little bigger. So you write down y cubed times the derivative of x cubed, which is 3x squared. And that's dx divided by dx, which is just 1. Okay, and then you do minus, write down your x cubed times the derivative of y cubed, which is 3y squared. And instead of dy dx, I'm going to put y prime. All right, and this is all divided by our denominator squared. That's your quotient rule. All right, let's simplify this. I'm going to simplify this and also substitute my y prime in, which is this. So we have our second derivative equals negative, and this is going to be 3x squared y cubed minus 3x cubed y squared times negative x cubed y cubed, all divided by y to the sixth. Okay, the next step I'm going to do is, I still have my negative here. Notice that these two negatives are going to make a positive, and I'm going to factor out a 3x squared y squared. So I'm going to be factoring out on the next slide negative, we already have the negative, but 3x squared y squared. So when I do that, I'm going to get y double prime equals negative 3x squared y squared times, and then we had y minus x times negative x cubed divided by y cubed, all divided by y to the sixth. All right. The only thing we really have to do now is to get our common denominator for here. I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. Y squared goes into y to the sixth 4 times. So that's going to be y to the fourth. And I need a common denominator here. So if I need, let's write this out, y prime, double prime equals negative 3x squared. All right, and I have y to the fourth here. So I need a y cubed. I want this all to be under y cubed. So I put a y cubed here. So this is going to be times y cubed here. So that's going to give me y to the fourth. These two negatives make a positive, plus x cubed. All right. Now, I can bring this down. So that's going to give me y to the 7th. This right here, we're going to substitute back into our original equation. This should be to the 4th, sorry. All right, let's put that back to the 4th. That's x to the 1st times x cubed. Sorry about that. That equals 16. So we have negative 3x squared times 16. And this got moved down. So our final answer is, our second derivative is negative 48x squared divided by y to the 7th. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.